Move the rig out of the way. Now we're going to start with the casing. This is your casing install kit.
Put it over your hole.
Put it over the hole. You grab your casing. They're going to be 5 foot long. You slide it in there, and then you stop right at the coupling, and then you get your breakout plate. Slide it in there. It'll hold it in place. Now you grab your other casing, pick it up a little, slide the casing plate out, and then you twist it, twist the other casing in and slide the other piece in.